Ladies and gentlemen, will the marvels of the modern age ever cease to amaze? In this episode, we explore a topic of household revolution, where the magic of automation and connectivity bring convenience right to your doorstep. Behold the miraculous automated robot vacuum. Gone are the days of laboring with cumbersome brooms and dustpans. And what's this? A thermostat that knows the weather before you do? Whether the day brings a blistering heat wave or frigid frost, your abode remains an oasis of comfort. So as we stand on the brink of tomorrow, let us explore how the Internet of Things makes this all possible. Yeah, let's do that. The Internet of Things. What is it? To understand the Internet of Things, we have to start by taking a look at the actual regular Internet. So the regular Internet primarily connects computers and smartphones and tablets to each other and data centers through a global network. It's mainly about enabling people to access information, communicate with each other, and share data across the world through things like websites, apps, and other platforms. It's important to note that IoT is more than just internet-enabled devices. It represents a larger concept of interconnected devices that gather and use data to perform specific tasks, improve efficiencies, and provide new capabilities. These devices can use a variety of connectivity options, including but not limited to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, cellular networks, and other IoT-specific protocols. And often, the choice of connectivity method depends on the device's specific needs, including range, power consumption, and data transmission requirements. Internet-connected devices primarily provide access to the internet, or they facilitate communication over a network. And while they can interact with other devices on the same network, they may not necessarily have the sensors or software to independently collect, analyze, and act on the data from their environment. So to put this in context, imagine the Internet of Things as a beehive, a bustling ecosystem where each bee represents or symbolizes an IoT device. Each bee performs a specific role that works in concert with other bees to sustain the hive's efficiency. The worker bees would represent IoT sensors and smart devices that forage and gather pollen from the surrounding environment. They mirror how sensors and smart devices collect data, things like temperature from household thermostats, steps from a fitness tracker, or even your fridge's contents. This data, like the pollen from flowers, creates a fuel for the hive and powers the interconnected world. The drones in the hive ensure the hive's growth by facilitating interactions and are like the communication technologies linking IoT devices, enabling them to share data and make our lives more seamless. The queen bee at the hive's core, well, she represents the user or central system, analyzing data to make informed decisions and regulating the hive's activities, ensuring cohesion and sustainability, like how a central system might adjust a home's heating or provide custom health advice based on sensor feedback. The beehive, with its efficient communication and operational systems, reflects the networks formed by IoT devices. Every component, from worker bees to the queen, is essential, just as how IoT devices contribute to a smarter, more connected environment. And there you have it. That's the Internet of Things in a bee analogy.